Imagine turning a single click into hundreds, even thousands of dollars effortlessly. Think it's too good to be true? Well, think again. Stay tuned as we unveil secret high-ticket affiliate marketing niches that are making ordinary people like you and me rich overnight. Miss this, and you might just miss out on the gold mine of the decade. In today's digital age, affiliate marketing has become a buzzword for passive income, but not all affiliate marketing opportunities are created equal. Some, known as high-ticket affiliate marketing, can transform your financial landscape overnight. Imagine earning $500, $1,000, or even more in commission from a single sale. That's not fantasy. It's the potential of high-ticket affiliate marketing. First up, technology. It's everywhere, right? From the smartphone you can't live without to the fitness trackers that monitor your every step. Companies selling high-end software, gadgets, and services pay substantial commissions to affiliates who can bring them high-quality leads. We're talking about cybersecurity tools, high-end electronics, and subscription-based software platforms. The demand in the tech industry is relentless, offering a fertile ground for affiliates. Next, the finance sector. Think about it: investments, insurance, loans. Financial products often come with a high profit margin and consequently high affiliate commissions. Whether it's promoting credit card offers, investment platforms, or insurance policies, the finance sector is ripe with opportunities for savvy affiliates looking to make a significant impact. Then there's health and wellness. This industry is booming thanks in part to a growing awareness about the importance of health and a massive surge in online fitness coaching, nutritional supplements, and wellness programs. High-ticket items could include premium supplements, high-tech fitness equipment, or memberships to exclusive wellness platforms. The beauty of this niche: products and services that genuinely impact people's lives, offering a unique sense of fulfillment alongside the financial rewards. Are there other hidden gems in high-ticket affiliate marketing waiting to be discovered? Absolutely. But venturing into these niches requires knowledge, strategy, and the right approach. Remember, success in affiliate marketing, especially the high-ticket kind, doesn't just lie in what you sell, but more importantly, how you sell it. Finding the perfect niche in high-ticket affiliate marketing is like discovering a vein of gold in the vast mines of the internet. Imagine you're on a treasure hunt where your prize isn't just invaluable, but also brings you closer to the lifestyle you aspire to live. The first gem you need on this quest: audience demand. Think about what people are craving for, their problems, their desires. If you can tap into that, you're not just selling, you're solving real issues, and that's where the magic begins. Next up, competition analysis. Picture yourself as a detective scanning the scene, understanding what others are doing. This isn't about intimidation by the competition, it's about inspiration. See what's working, learn from the mistakes of others, and find your unique angle. Remember, it's not always the loudest who gets heard in the crowded marketplace, but the one who speaks directly to the needs and desires of the audience. And here's the cherry on top: potential for recurring commissions. This is where your effort today pays off tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after that. It's about finding products or services that people don't just buy once, but continue to use over time. Think subscriptions, membership sites, or services that require regular renewal. It's about creating a steady stream of income while building a loyal customer base. Now, imagine combining these factors. You have a recipe not just for a successful affiliate marketing venture, but for a thriving, sustainable business. But here's the question to ponder: how do you strike that fine balance between audience demand, competition, and recurring commissions to uncover the perfect niche for you? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Luxury is not just a concept. It's an experience, an emotion that resonates with the very essence of aspiration and exclusivity. Imagine the allure of high-end fashion, those meticulously crafted pieces that don't just dress a person, but tell a story, encapsulate a moment, and exude an aura of sophistication. Each thread, each color and texture speaks to the craftsmanship and the heritage of brands that have become symbols of opulence and style. But it's not just about the clothes. It's the lifestyle that comes with them. The luxury travel escapades that whisk you away to the most pristine corners of the world where experiences are crafted with the same attention to detail and exclusivity as the garments that grace the runways of Milan and Paris. The premium experiences those moments that are so tailored, so unique, that they become etched in memory as benchmarks of a life well lived. But here's the catch: this sumptuous world of luxury isn't just about spending. It's about smart investments, about forging partnerships that pay dividends. Think about it. The velvety feel of a designer dress, the serene bliss of a secluded beach in the Maldives, these are experiences and products people yearn for, invest in, not merely for the sake of possession, but for the essence they add to life. This is where you, as an affiliate marketer, step in. You become the bridge that connects aspirational individuals with these experiences and products. Now envision the potential. Each piece of luxury, each exclusive vacation, not only brings with it the promise of an enriched life, but also the potential for lucrative affiliate partnerships. Picture earning every time someone accesses these experiences through your recommendation. The key lies in understanding the allure of these luxury niches, the unique selling points of high-end fashion, luxury travel, and premium experiences, and then weaving these elements into your content in a way that resonates with your audience. How can you, as an affiliate marketer, elevate your strategy to not just showcase these luxury products and experiences, but create an ecosystem where your audience sees you as the gateway to an aspirational lifestyle? In the realm of affiliate marketing, promoting high-ticket items isn't just about showcasing a product. It's about telling a story that compels your audience to envision themselves enjoying these luxurious experiences. First off, understanding your audience is crucial. What drives them? Is it exclusivity, quality, or perhaps the status that comes with these high-end products? By honing in on these details, you can tailor your content to resonate deeply with your viewers. Now here's a strategy that's gold: content. But not just any content. We're talking about rich, immersive stories that paint a vivid picture of the luxury experience. Imagine a blog post detailing a day in the life of someone using the premium product, or a video showcasing breathtaking scenes from that secluded Maldives resort. This isn't just content. It's an invitation to a sought-after lifestyle that your audience can't resist. But how do you make your content stand out in the sea of luxury promotions? The secret sauce is authenticity. Share personal anecdotes or case studies demonstrating the transformative power of these products or experiences. When your audience sees real-life benefits and transformations, their trust in your recommendations skyrockets. Don't overlook the power of exclusivity. Create a sense of urgency by highlighting limited-time offers or exclusive deals only available through your affiliate link. This approach not only incentivizes immediate action, but also reinforces the idea that your platform is the go-to destination for accessing these elite circles. And finally, engagement is the currency of success in affiliate marketing. Encourage your viewers to share their dreams and aspirations related to the luxury niche. What exclusive experience do they yearn for and why? This not only fosters a deeper connection with your audience, but also provides invaluable insights to steer your future content. Building authority in your niche is like laying the foundation for a skyscraper. It's the crucial first step that determines how high your structure can soar. Imagine yourself as a beacon in your field, where your name becomes synonymous with expertise and reliability. But how do you build this venerable reputation? Start by consistently sharing valuable insights and knowledge. This could mean writing in-depth blog posts, creating informative videos, or offering free resources that solve your audience's problems. The key is to provide so much value that your name becomes the go-to solution in your niche. Now on to creating compelling content, which is the heartbeat of any digital presence. Think of your content as the storyline of your favorite book or movie. It needs to captivate from the onset and hold attention to the very end. Use storytelling to weave emotional connections, making your audience the hero of the story with your product or service as their trusted companion. Remember, people make decisions based on emotions and then justify them with logic. Lastly, optimizing conversion funnels isn't just technical jargon. It's about creating a smooth, enjoyable journey for your prospects from the moment they discover you to the point of purchase. Picture a funnel in your mind. At the wide top, you have potential customers discovering you through various channels. As they move down the funnel, your goal is to provide them with tailored experiences designed to gently guide them towards making a purchase. This means understanding their needs at each stage of the funnel and delivering the right message at the right time. But here's a question to think about. How do you currently build trust with your audience? And what steps are you taking to ensure that your content not only draws them in, but also guides them smoothly towards a decision?